Kapilmatrimony.com. Register for free. Hello, welcome. In this plan, let us take a look at the 28 by 18, 504 square feet, 2 BHK house plan. This is the 2D plan. This plan is suitable for both north and south side plots. We have given the entrance in this plan from the north side. So as per Vastu, this can be applied for both south and also for north facing plots. So the entrance is from the north side. So as soon as you get into the house, you will be in the dining area. Dimensions are 7 feet 10 inches by 10 feet 9 inches. If you choose to, you can build a staircase to go to the floor above. On your right hand side, we have given that would be your northwest corner. We have given kitchen of dimensions 6 by 7 feet 10 inch. From the dining area, we have given the hall 6 feet 9 inch by 11. The first bedroom is connected to the hall 10 feet by 8.5 feet. And the second bedroom is connected to the hall as well, 10 by 10. We have given a combined bathroom toilet 6 feet 9 inch by 6 feet 7 inches. In this plan, wherever you see red dots, that would be the location of pillars or columns. We recommend 10 by 10 with 16 mm steel. Now let's take a look at how many columns we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 columns we have given in this plan. Wherever you see W, that would be the location of windows. Wherever you see V, that is the location of ventilators. In this plan, we have given 8 windows and 9 ventilators. Number of doors, this is the main entrance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 doors. The total estimated cost is 7.5 lakhs. The internal walls can be of 5-inch thickness. I always mention that. And the outer walls should be of 9-inch thickness. Now let us quickly take a look at the 3D version of this plan to get a better idea about this plan. Okay, now this is the 3D image, how it would look like. So this is the main entrance, this is the dining area, here is the kitchen, this is the kitchen area, this is the dining area. Stairs would go to the floor above like this, and this is the hall. The bedroom number 1, this is bedroom number 2, and then this is the combined bathroom toilet. Let's take a look at it from a different angle. Now this is the main entrance. You have dining area, stairs to go to the floor above, and here you have kitchen, and then this is the hall. This is the bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and then come bathroom toilet combined over here. Okay, now this is what it would look like. All right, let's go back to the 2D plan. Here we are. Thank you so very much. Did I mention that the estimated cost for this particular plan to be constructed is 7.5 lakhs. Thank you. Thank you for watching. To support the channel, if you have not already subscribed, please do subscribe, like and share so that we can continuously upload these useful plans for you, the viewers. Also, please note that in our channel, we have given and we'll continue to give plans for plots of different dimensions and facing. And if you have requirement for a different dimension, please do mention in the comments area below, and we will design the plan and upload it to our channel. And please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Before you go, also please share kapilmatrimony.com with your contacts. Thank you so much.